Welcome students. In this class we will learn how to multiply two numbers in a fast manner. Suppose we got two numbers, say 15 times So after you have drawn this line 1, go to the number 5, leave some space and you draw 5 lines, say like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you've drawn 5 lines. After you've drawn 5 lines and a line, so that it would be accounting for this number 15. Now what you need to do is you need to draw 2 lines. So you will have to start from this side. So draw the first line like this, 1 and 2. So this is for the first 2. Next what you need to do is draw the second 2. So that's going to be over here, 1 and 2. Now what we need to do is we need to divide these into zones. So there is a zone here. This is the first zone. This entire region is called the second zone, and this is the third zone. Now count the number of intersections that you can see here. So you have an intersection here, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you got 10 intersections. So place a 0 here and you carry the 1 over. And then you count the number of intersections. You got 1 and 2, 2 over here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 intersections are here. So 10 plus 2, 12, plus 1, 13. So this is going to be 13. So place the number 3 here and take the number plus 1 over here. Next, count the intersections here, 1 and 2. So you got 2 here, add this 1, and this is going to become 3. So now what you got to do is you have to just simply place these numbers. So this is equal to 3, 3, 0. 3, 3, 0. So this is the solution. Now let us check whether we have done it right or not. So 15 times 22. 2 times 5, 10, carry 1. 2 ones are 2, 3. 2 times 5, 10, carry 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. So it's going to be 0, 3, 3. So 3, 3, 0. So that's the perfect answer. Students, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to multiply 12 times 21 in a faster manner. So what you need to do is, in fact, take the first number 1, draw a line, and then draw 2 lines for this 2. So 1 and 2. So that's these 2 lines are for this number 2. And then start from here and draw 2 lines for this number 2. So you got a 1 here, you got a 2 here. Then you draw a line for this number 1. Then you divide these into zones. You got a zone here. In fact, you can group them. So this is a group here. Now this would be a group and this would be a group. Now count the number of intersections you see here. Now this is an intersection, 1, 2. You got 2 intersections. So place the number 2 here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 intersections here, and then you got an intersection here. So totally there are 5 intersections here, and then 1 and 2. So there are 2 intersections here. So what you need to do is you need to just place these numbers 2, 5, 2. So place the number 2, 5, 2. Now just for a check, you can check this up with long multiplication. 1 into 2, 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 4, and 2 times 2. So this is going to be 2, 5, 2. So this is exactly what you've got. Now I'm going to take a little bit bigger number and demonstrate this technique. So I've got 1, 4, 1. So first what you need to do is you draw a line here, and then this line represents the first one, and then leave some space and you draw 4 lines for this 4. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So So that's going to be for this 4. Then leave some space and draw a line 1 for this number 1. Now start from this side and represent 3 lines for this number 3. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3. Then you move up and you represent 2 lines for this number 2. So it's 1 and 2. So now you got the following groups. You got a group here. This is one group, and this entire thing is group number 2. This is group number 3, and this is group number 4. So find out all the intersections that you got. So you got an intersection here, 1 and 2. Just write that down, 2. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you got 9, 10, 11. So place 1 and carry 1 here. Then find the number of intersections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 intersections are there. So 14 plus 1. So that's going to be 15. You carry 1. So you got intersection 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So the numbers that we've got now is 4, 5, 1 and 2. So this is equal to 4, 5, 1 and 2. I'm going to show you that 141 times 32. 2 ones are 2, 4 times 2, 8, 2 times 1, 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 threes are 12, 1, 3 ones are 3, 4. This is 2, 11, 5 and 4. You see that? How we got the solution? So you can use this technique to speed up your multiplication process. Thank you, students.